Lofts are now sought-after living havens that perfectly balance open areas, industrial charm, and modern comforts. They used to be only storage spaces. A good loft design idea is one that seamlessly blends modern aesthetics with functional brilliance. The title for today's discussion is Unlocking the Charm, a comprehensive guide to designing the interior of a loft. Welcome to our YouTube blog where we delve into the fascinating world of loft design. Lofts, with their unique blend of industrial aesthetics and modern comforts, have captured the imagination of interior design enthusiasts worldwide. In this extensive guide, we'll explore what exactly defines a loft, its historical evolution, the factors contributing to its popularity, essential tips for designing its interior, and finally, an insightful analysis of its pros and cons. First, let's talk about unveiling the essence of a loft. To embark on our journey, let's first understand the essence of a loft. Traditionally, a loft refers to a large, open space, often found in urban areas, characterized by high ceilings, exposed brick or concrete walls, and large windows. Originally utilized as industrial spaces or warehouses, lofts underwent a transformation, evolving into residential or commercial units while retaining their distinctive features. Second, let's find out the history of loft. Tracing the history of loft architecture. The history of loft architecture is a captivating narrative that traces its roots back to the Industrial Revolution. With the rise of industrialization in the 19th century, urban areas witnessed a proliferation of warehouses and factories. As these spaces became obsolete, artists and creatives saw the potential in their vast interiors, repurposing them into living and working spaces. This marked the birth of the modern loft as we know it today. Third, let's observe the rise of loft living. The emergence of loft living gained momentum in the latter half of the 20th century, particularly in cities like New York, London, and Paris. The allure of spacious interiors, coupled with the charm of industrial aesthetics, attracted a diverse range of inhabitants, including artists, professionals, and urban dwellers seeking a unique living experience. The trend continued to gain popularity, fueled by the desire for open-concept living spaces and the revitalization of urban neighborhoods. Fourth, now we can start with crafting the perfect loft interior. Designing the interior of a loft requires careful consideration to strike the right balance between functionality and aesthetics. Here are some essential tips to guide you through the process. Number 1. Embrace openness. Capitalize on the spacious layout of a loft by adopting an open concept design. Avoid cluttering the space with unnecessary partitions, allowing for seamless flow and connectivity between different areas. Number 2. Celebrate industrial elements. Incorporate the inherent industrial elements of a loft, such as exposed brick walls, concrete floors, and steel beams, into your design scheme. These features add character and authenticity to the space, serving as a nod to its historical roots. Number 3. Maximize natural light. Leverage the abundance of natural light that floods into a loft through its large windows. Opt for sheer curtains or minimal window treatments to allow sunlight to permeate the space, creating a bright and airy ambience. Number 4. Define zones. Despite its open layout, delineate distinct zones within the loft to designate specific functions, such as living, dining, and sleeping areas. Utilize area rugs, furniture arrangement, and lighting to demarcate these zones while maintaining cohesion throughout the space. Number 5. Incorporate versatile furniture. Select furniture pieces that are both stylish and functional, with an emphasis on versatility and adaptability. Modular sofas, multi-purpose storage solutions, and convertible furnishings are ideal for optimizing space in a loft environment. Number 6. Add greenery. Introduce greenery into your loft to infuse a touch of nature and vitality into the industrial setting. Houseplants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the space, but also improve air quality and foster a sense of well-being. Number 7. Personalize with art and decor. Showcase your personality and style through curated art pieces, decorative accents, and eclectic furnishings. Experiment with textures, colors, and patterns to inject warmth and visual interest into the minimalist backdrop of a loft interior. Fifth, we also need to know about evaluating the pros and cons of loft living. Before embarking on the journey of loft living, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Number 1. Spacious layout. The expansive interiors of lofts offer ample space for creativity and customization, allowing residents to design their ideal living environment. Number 2. Architectural charm. The unique architectural features of lofts, such as high ceilings and exposed structural elements, imbue the space with character and authenticity. Number 3. Versatility. Lofts are incredibly versatile, accommodating a variety of living arrangements and lifestyle preferences, from open-plan studios to multi-level residences. Number 4. Urban location. Many lofts are situated in vibrant urban neighborhoods, offering convenient access to amenities, cultural attractions, and the dynamic energy of city life. Cons? Number 1. Limited privacy. The open layout of lofts may lack privacy, especially in multifunctional spaces where boundaries between living areas are blurred. Number 2. Noise and echoes. The industrial materials and high ceilings characteristic of lofts can amplify sound, resulting in echoes and reverberations throughout the space. Number 3. Maintenance challenges. Maintaining a loft, particularly in older buildings, may pose challenges due to the upkeep of industrial features, such as exposed brickwork and concrete surfaces. Number 4. Accessibility issues. Some lofts, especially those located in historic buildings or converted warehouses, may have limited accessibility, with stairs or elevators as the primary means of entry. In conclusion, designing the interior of a loft is an exhilarating journey that combines creativity, functionality, and appreciation for industrial aesthetics. By embracing the inherent qualities of the space while incorporating personalized touches, you can create a truly unique and inviting living environment. However, it's essential to consider the practical aspects and potential challenges of loft living before making the leap. Whether you're drawn to the architectural charm of a loft or intrigued by its urban allure, the key lies in striking a harmonious balance between style and substance. With careful planning and thoughtful execution, your loft can become not just a place to live, but a testament to your individuality and creativity. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of loft design, and we hope you feel inspired to embark on your own loft transformation journey. As always, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.